children. Good morning to all. How are you children? I hope you are all fine. Children, this is our social science class. I am your social science teacher, Mrs. Padmavathi. Today we are going to learn about Unit 1, Philanthropist of Sangam age. Children, in first term already we learned Moovendargal, the famous king of Cheras, Cholas, Pandyas and Pallavas. Then this term for Kurunila Mannargal. We are going to learn about Kurunila Mannargal. Children, what do you mean by philanthropist? A rich person who helps the poor and those in need, especially by giving money. That is called philanthropist. Today we are going to learn about the 7 Kurunila Mannargal, the famous 7 philanthropists. Pegan, Pari, Nedumudigari, Ay, Adiyaman, Nalli, Valvil, Or. In the Sangam age, many philanthropists ruled in the hilly regions, but 7 of them were very famous. I told you now, Pegan, Pari, Nedumudigari, Ay, Adiyaman, Nalli, Valvil, Ori. They ruled different hilly regions at different periods during the Sangam age. They were all powerful, kind and cared for nature and the people. Children, what do you mean by Kurunila Mannargal? The king who ruled over with a smaller area are called Kurunila Mannargal. Now we are going to learn about the story of Pegan. Pegan giving blanket to peacock. Children, look at the image. Pegan giving blanket to peacock. This story is about Pegan. Pegan ruled Palani Hills, Dindigul district. One day, while Pegan was on his walk, he saw a peacock shivering. He assumed that the peacock was shivering due to cold and he covered the peacock with shawl. Children, can a peacock use a shawl? Maybe not. The point is that Pegan treated the peacock just like his own child. How many people nowadays show such kindness towards animals? If he knew about Pegan, he would find a way to love animals. It's not just kindness towards trees and animals. It is also about valuing people. We should treat all living things equally. Children, can you try to answer these questions? Yeah. First question. Which hilly region did Pegan rule? Palani Hills. Answer is Palani Hills. Second question. What did Pegan see when he was stalking a walk peacock? Third question. What did Pegan use to cover the shivering peacock? Shawl. The next story is nearly 2000 years old. The famous philanthropist of Pari Vallar. The name is often used to describe the most famous amongst them, who was the patron and friend of poet Kabilar and is extolled for his benevolence, patronage of art and literature. He is remembered as one of the Kadayelu Vallar in Tamil literature. A wise and kind philanthropist called Pari ruled Parambunadu. This was located in Parambumalai, a hill range that starts in Sivagangai district in Tamil Nadu and extends all the way to Palakkad in Kerala. The Moovedars, the Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas wanted to make Parambunadu a part of their kingdom. They were not able to win the battles against Pori and his army individually. So they attacked Paramanadu together. In the thick forest inside the hills, they were not able to defeat Pori's army. Instead, they made sure that Paramanadu could not get water or food from below the hill. They thought the Pori would surrender after he ran out of food and water. Pori did not surrender. Few months passed. The Movenders later realized that the forest in Parambumalai were so rich that they provided people with a lot of jackfruit, edible bamboo, and other wild nuts. The hill also had a lot of streams that provided them with fresh and clean water. Their forest took care of them, just as Pori, the people in his region, also took care of nature. There is even a famous story that tells his generosity. One day, Pori was passing a young jasmine climber. He saw that there was no tree to help the climber to grow. He offered his golden chariot to give support for the climber. To give support for the climber. Children, can you try to answer the questions? Yeah. First question. Which was the region ruled by Pari? Answer is Paramanadu. Second one, what were stopped from the lower regions to Paramanadu? Water and food. Third one, what did Pari give to support Jasmine climber? Which one? Chariot. Children, today we learned the famous philanthropist Pegan and Pari stories. Thank you, children. We will continue next class. Stay home, stay safe.